Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajax G here with another video. So we have a PC build for you guys. This is an $800 build or less, depending on where you get your parts from. And you can use this PC for gaming, streaming, and video editing. Alright, so we're going to get into the build. Alright, so before we get into the full build, I want to show you this toolkit that I got from Amazon. This is only about 15 to 20 bucks. When I bought it, it was on sale, so I got it for 15 bucks. This is an awesome toolkit, okay? It has all the parts that you're going to need for the build. Alright, so for the parts for this build, we have a Ryzen 5 3600, okay? This is a dope chip, alright? We have a 1 terabyte hard disk drive. We have an EVGA 600 watt power supply. All right. We got this XPG RGB RAM 16 gigabytes. We got a SSD 240. We have a 1660 MSI GPU. Okay, it's overclockable. And we have this B450M motherboard, which can be slightly overclocked. We have extension cables here. Okay, we have some blue, white, and black extension cables, which are really dope. And the case is a dark flash case. All right, so let's get into the build. Here you have the ASRock B450M. So this is a micro ATX motherboard. So on this board, you can do a little bit of overclocking, not so much, just so you know. But a lot of people, when they get pre-builds or build their own PC, they don't tend to overclock their own PCs. I personally don't overclock my own PC because I don't want to. So we're going to install the CPU. As you know, we're going to lift up the lever. Alright, so we're going to install the CPU. It's going to line up with this triangle here, with the gold triangle on the CPU. Pull the lever down, good to go. Now we're going to move the brackets so we can install the fans on this motherboard. This one was actually screwed in pretty tight. Alright, so as usual, AMD has some pretty dope fans, so we're going to actually use the stock cooler. This one comes with thermal paste installed, so I don't have to add it to the CPU myself. And we're going to just place it over the CPU properly and secure it onto the motherboard. Like I did in my previous video, you're going to want to screw from each diagonal angle so you make sure it's secured on each side evenly. Okay, so everything's in, we're good to go. We are going to install the RAM. Alright, so this actually has 2 DIMM slots, which is up to 32 gigabytes, but we're going to install 2 8 gigabyte sticks for 16 gigabytes RAM, dual channel. All right, so you're going to want to push it in until you hear it click. Once it clicks over, you're good to go. All right, add the second channel, and this is how it looks. These are some really dope RAM sticks. So due to this motherboard being smaller than the last micro ATX board, so it's not an ITX, so I have to install a standoff here. See these little black things? It comes with extra ones in the bag. Okay, so the tool that you're going to want to use with this is this tool. Okay, this comes in the toolkit that I showed you guys in the beginning. So you just pop that standoff in there, and then you're going to screw it into that hole. Alright, now that we have the standoff that we need, we can actually take out this standoff if we wanted to, so I'm going to probably take that out. Alright, the motherboard is in. It looks great. Alright, we're going to put in the SSD, and then we're going to put in the power supply and wire the cables down here before we put in the GPU. Alright, so all the cables from the case are plugged into the motherboard here. So everything is plugged in properly. I might have to reroute this USB 3.0 cable, so you might see that at the end. GPU time to put in our GPU. So this is how it looks. It's a really pretty card, and it's small. And the thing I like about this one, it has a back plate. Alright, time to reveal the PC. So this is the Ryzen. So the cables look really dope. I am so happy that I went and bought some extension cables. This case is really dope. The fans are quiet and they're pretty bright. I'm not even gonna lie, they're pretty bright. So I bought a pack of 5. The pack of 5 was about 40 bucks. So of course, as you know, I get all my parts from Amazon, Micro Center, and Newegg. So I mix and match to try to keep the price down. If you like this build, feel free to send me a message, Twitter, Instagram, whatever, email me if you would like to make an offer on this PC. So at the end of this video, I'm going to have a couple of benchmarks for you guys. I hope this is going to be helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. As always, everything will be in the description down below. We are on our way to 700 subscribers. There will be another giveaway once we reach 700 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Stick around for the benchmarks of this build. Again, if you want this build, just let me know. DM me. All right. Here's some benchmarks for you guys.
Hijo de puta.